My first time making macrame. Did it go to plan or was it a complete disaster? Keep watching to find out.
Okay, so I've got my scissors. This is the keyring that I'm going to be using today. Here's the grey macrame rope. This is made from 100% cotton. And we need to cut 8 16cm pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's our 16. Then we need 8 pieces of 14 centimeters. So 16, 14, 8 pieces of 12. And 1 30cm piece. So this is how we make a head knot. I'm going to use a 30cm piece of rope. Put that together. So we're lining the ends up. Take our key ring, thread that through, and then we're just going to take the 2 ends and pull them through. And pull. And that is how you make a head knot. So now we're going to make a knot on the main rope. And we're going to use a piece of the 16cm. So we're going to work our way down the 16 all the way down to 12. So we've got 16, 14 and 12. So what we do, we put that like this, which goes underneath here. We take another piece, put it in half, which we thread through here. This goes through here. And then we pull and we push up. So it's looking like that. We do the same again. go again, we go through here, take up these two ends, put them through, hold those, and then pull, push up.
You don't have to always start from the same side, but to make it easier, I have done this time.
Same again. Through, pick up these two ends, pull them through, and then pull tightly and push up. Let me just make sure I'm using the right 16. Yeah, 16. That's what we've used. 2, 4. So this is the last of the 16. Again, through, pick up these two, and then pull, push them up. This is what it's looking like. Then we start with the next size down, which is 14 centimeters. So we go through, take these two, so back through this one, pull those through, pull, and then push up. Underneath through that one. It's actually bonfire night, so if you hear fireworks going off, that's what it is. This is the last of the 14 centimeter ones. Take those two, put it through, again pull and push, so we take those two through, pull and push. Alright. Well, this is what we're left with, and you'll think, Claire, what have you made? What a mess. what we need to do now is we have to take a comb, and we're going to take each strand and comb through. This reminds me of my hair when I was younger. It was quite wavy and very knotty. I had an aunt called an Auntie Dot, and she was the only one I would let remove the knots in my hair. So can you see, just brushing them out like this. Don't worry if some bits come out. So that's what we're going to do, brush all the way through. Make sure you get every single one. Looking like this at the moment. I agree, it looks a mess, but all will be revealed. Keep watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Very naughty. Okay, how's that looking? I'm just going to push those up again. So make sure we've got every single one brushed, combed through. Okay, so this is what we are left with. And what we're going to do is we're going to shape it now by cutting it into a shape. And I was going to make a heart. So you don't want to make. So that's that one. So we do something like that. So really you're just trimming the ends. You can use green and make a leaf.
2 hours later.
So this is the finished product. Macrame heart keyring.
Thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.